Hey guys, it's Dr. Nate here at Thrive Dental and Orthodontics, and what I want to talk to you about today is how you get those pearly whites. So I'm going to go over the 4 ways you can get those nice, beautiful white teeth. So there's 2 main types of discolorations. One is extrinsic stains, the other one is intrinsic stains. So extrinsic stains is what you get when you're eating foods or you're drinking your wines or your sodas, and it just stains on the teeth, and it's on the outside of the teeth. And then you have intrinsic stains, and that has happened to some of you who've smashed their teeth and their front tooth slowly starts to darken and darken and darken until it's black or pretty dark, and that is intrinsic. That's the inner portion of the tooth that is actually kind of bled out and it's actually showing through the teeth. The easiest one to get rid of are the extrinsic stains. So let me kind of talk to you about how we are going to make your teeth white and beautiful. So the easiest way number 1 is grab an amazing toothbrush like the Sonic toothbrush or Thrive toothbrush or something similar that's gonna clean your teeth really nice and pretty. Manual toothbrushes suck, yes, so do not use those, or you can use them, you're gonna use them, but Sonic toothbrush, all these different types of automatic toothbrushes are way better. And that just removes all the plaque and all the gross stuff and all the stains we've gotten from our teeth. The surface ones, it can actually remove them. So just brushing normally with a great toothbrush can actually make your teeth a little bit whiter. Number 2 is get something that's over the counter, like a Crest white strips. And although I don't use them now, I used to use Crest white strips back in the day, maybe like 10 years ago, 15 years ago. And to be honest, it works pretty good. It has a lot of the same ingredients that we use. The downfall of it is that it's not really naturally formed to your teeth. So most of the time they're these kind of like strips and they go over your gums and your teeth and they hurt like heck because they're not really formed to your teeth, but they work. So that is still a good option. So if you get the over-the-counter Crest white strips or some version of that, that is still a good option for you. Number 3, the one that we do pretty much all the time, every day at all of our Thrive offices, is take home professional bleaching trays. And what is that? That is basically when you come into the office, we take impressions or molds in your teeth, and then that day or maybe the next day, we're gonna give you these custom trays. And why is that better than just over-the-counter kind of Crest white strips or some version of that? It is because it's custom to your mouth. So that is why those professional trays you take home are so much better. Number 4, the 4th thing you can do, which I think is the best thing, it's the quickest thing, it gets you the biggest results, is something called Zoom whitening or in-office whitening. And that you've probably seen before, and that's when you have that big light here and it's shining on you and the patient's mouth is open and it gets your teeth super white. So some people say it can get up to 10 shades whiter, which is crazy. And you know how long it takes? 1 hour. So you come in the office, you come in with these yellow nasty teeth, and you literally walk out that same day in an hour with nice, beautiful teeth. All right guys, that is the way you're gonna get these nice, beautiful, shiny, bright white teeth. You're gonna have a great toothbrush that's gonna take off those extrinsic stains. You're gonna get either Crest white strip or something similar. You are going to have the take-home bleaching, which is probably the one I recommend, or the Zoom. And lastly, you have Zoom in-office whitening. Those 4 ways you can get your teeth nice and pretty and white. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. You know I'm doing my best to answer them. Thank you so much, and please subscribe, and I'll see you soon.